But they were there on a specific mission to search and to seize and arrest people in connection with drugs. Lumaban. Fortunately, yung bata tinama. They're not ready to say na kaninong bala tumama ang... But sabi nila sa akin, and I believe them na tinamaan talaga si Crossfire in the heat of a gunfight.
Had there been investigation conducted, Mayor?
Well, this one, that's why I ask it. Ito na yung binasa ko yung lahat ng report tapos tinanong ko na sila. I'm satisfied with the explanation. At tinamaan yung bata, we cannot determine kung ninong baril. But it was done in connection with the performance of duty of arresting these suspected criminals.
Have you spoken with the family of the minors?
Not yet. I've sent Masil. I talked to my deputy mayor because I would like to talk to the community over there. And also, I would be interested to know why it was flourishing in that enclave there. Bakit na it went on, naging tiyangge that, alam mo kasi ganito yan eh. The operation was really a result of about, alam ko yan eh, because I provided also the funds, almost about 3 months. Yung mga, lahat nakuha namin, yung mga kotse na bumaba, yung may pagpaparking lang sa unahan, tapos bababa, then get a fix there, and balik doon sa... So, yung iba, pinara namin, wala silang makuha. Ano naman, kasi sa... alam mo, yung checkpoint, stricto eh, yung Supreme Court dyan. So, hindi mo naman ma-search, wala man makita. Hindi mo naman ma-arresto na, hindi mo nakita, nag-hit-hit eh. So that would be no probable cause really to conduct a search. Ganoon ang Supreme Court is very strict on that. So hindi mo, pero alam namin mga kotse, ang plate number na pumunta diyan tapos kinukuha namin. Pupunta lang sa loob, hindi magbili, doon lang mag-hit tapos lalabas. Ano talaga, tiyangge talaga.
Doon ba rin yung mga Korean
the
national?
areas become a marketplace for...
Yes, it was. Actually, it was. It was several houses were catering to so many clients here. Mga bata.
So why, sir? Why the area has become Cebu marketplace?
Historically, noon kasi yan sa mga smuggled goods. Remember? Nandiyan maglanding. Diyan siguro ang diyan talaga natuto sila maghanap buhay.
Mayor, how about yung Korean national, Mayor?
He has to face the music. Will be treated. He would be entitled to all the rights under the Constitution and under international law. But he will have to face the music. He will be arrested.
Based on the investigation, anong ginagawa ng Korean national doon? Is he a customer or he is the part of
Kaya
the supplier?
nag-humihit lang rin.
Sir, after the ilang we know na marami pang ganyan.
Meron. As a matter of fact, meron dito ngayon. There's an operation going on. I just hope it would succeed. Alam mo itong negosyo na ito, para kang buang. Pero wag irong buang ba? Mamaligya ka, laki mga runner, pag ibaligyaan mo ang nagamit, pag napitlok to nagamit, itudlo tong runner, itudlo ka. Simple as that. Pwede, anak kasi imong balay, tutukod ka kuan, murag tiyanggihan, murag tindahan, suyop niya mo. Pwede madakpan ka yun.
So that means
But we were waiting for something big actually. Kasi hindi namin the hotbed before was mini forest. Tapos lumipat doon sa ilang. Tapos meron dito sa isa pa. PDEA is working on it and we expect some positive results in the days to come.
Observation, Mayor, ang lahat ng yung mga hotbed na sinasabi natin, yun sa daplin sa dagat, daplin sa baybayon yun.
Dili tanan. Alam mo kasi yung hindi po mga tausog, dapis dagat, magyun na sila. Mas mayan ng mulangoy. Wag nagukod ang pulis. Yung pulis, di man ka mga mulangoy. Malumos mo nagugukod.
Ngayon na ba high grade na
Yun ang inaano namin. Kung meron talaga kaming makuhang linya, we'll keep it secret and we will advise Manila, the national government.
But during the raid, walang high grade.
Hindi ko pa na ano because Soko is still on it.
Mayor, what will prevent another minor? I mean, how do we prevent another?
We cannot prevent it from starting, but we can interdict the operation.
I mean, katong minor na naigo, Mayor, how do we prevent a similar incident in the future?
Wala.
Wala.
Crossfire eh. Hindi naman natin malaman. Wala tsaka wala. Nilibing na eh. We not even determine kung anong bala pumasok doon. There was a gunfight in each and every house where there was a shooting, may gunfight. And I was assured by itong operating units, the heads, na ganun, na malinis talaga yung trabaho.
Sir, all these years you have been rapidly against drugs, and yet this happened. How do you feel about that?
I said, I'm very scared. That's why I'm spending so much money. There's a law and order fund. Alam ninyo yan? Alam ng kuwa yan. Malaki ang gastos ko dyan. Gumagastos talaga ako pagka-drugs. Pati human trafficking. Yan ang favorite ano ko. Human trafficking and drugs.
The same personalities ba dito sa mini forest, ano ba din dito sa ilang?
Iba yung ibang tribo.
So,
Sana
will there be
na
another...
na sinasabi mo, sir? Was it the same person nagikan sa 23? Kaning ginaingon mo?
Dele, ibang linya yon, ibang linya.
Ibang lugar.
So, will there be another raid na mahitabo sa Davao?
For as long as there will be shabu in my city, there will be a continuing fight. It's actually a war. I'm declaring war against drugs. Sabi ko nga, marami naman kayo mapagnegosyohan. Lumabas na kayo kasi dito talaga madidisgrasya kayo. Madidisgrasya talaga kayo.